Hey Maple Ridge, we've heard you and we're taking action. Community sports organizations are struggling to find field time. Ice sports are at capacity. Swim lessons are booked solid. Many of our community organizations are competing for limited space. The demand for recreational space in Maple Ridge has outgrown the facilities we have. With our population at over 100,000 and growing at twice the national average, the pressure on our parks, arenas, and pools is only going to increase. Development and densification along the low-heat transit corridor will mean thousands of new residents and businesses will call West Maple Ridge home. That's why your council is stepping up with bold new plans to make sure everyone in Maple Ridge has room to move, meet, and play. Based on your feedback, technical assessments, and the Parks, Recreation, and Culture Master Plan, we're moving forward with 3 major initiatives that reflect a shared vision to create spaces where families thrive, neighbors connect, and all ages have access to healthy recreation. First, we're expanding the Albion Fairground arenas, adding more ice time and dry floor space for year-round sports and community events. Second, we're building a new aquatic and recreation center at Hammond Community Park. It will be a vibrant hub with swim facilities, fitness spaces, youth programs, and a dedicated youth baseball field. Third, we're transforming 40 acres of city-owned land currently leased to Maple Ridge Golf Course into a large, multi-use park with room for sports, trails, picnics, and play. This land was purchased in 1971 for future park use, and now is the time to make it public for everyone. Relocating baseball to this new park creates space at the current Hammond Community Park for a rec center and helps us deliver all the amenities without buying additional land. It's practical, cost-effective solution that meets today's needs while preserving tomorrow's possibilities. This new park will be a legacy project. River views, accessible trails, toboggan hills, picnic areas, stadium-style baseball fields honoring Larry Walker's legacy, and more. Future features like a cricket pitch, a spray park, and a bike track will be shaped by what we hear from you. We're now in the engagement phase. This is your opportunity to shape what comes next. We are bold by nature, and your voice matters. Join the conversation. Help shape the future of Maple Ridge. Take our survey by May 25th.